I buried one tiny fertilizer cup in the soil, and a few weeks later my basil and mint exploded with growth like never before. What looked like an ordinary gardening experiment quickly turned into one of the easiest tricks for growing giant, healthy herbs at home. By placing a small hidden fertilizer cup near the roots, basil and mint plants receive slow, steady nutrients exactly where they need them most. This simple method helps beginners grow fuller leaves, stronger stems, and incredibly fragrant herbs without expensive gardening equipment. To grow lush basil and mint successfully, place your containers or garden beds where plants receive 4 to 6 hours of bright sunlight daily. Morning sun works best because it encourages fast, healthy growth without overheating delicate leaves. Basil thrives in warm temperatures between 20 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius, while mint enjoys slightly cooler but still warm conditions with good airflow. Healthy roots are the secret behind giant leafy growth. Water your herbs deeply whenever the top inch of soil feels slightly dry. Keep the soil consistently moist but never soggy because overwatering can cause root rot and weak stems. The hidden fertilizer cup slowly releases nutrients into the surrounding soil, helping roots absorb food more efficiently while reducing nutrient waste. For continuous lush growth, refill the fertilizer cup every few weeks using compost tea, diluted organic liquid fertilizer, or balanced plant food. Regular harvesting and pruning are also important. Pinch off basil flower buds early to keep leaves tender and flavorful, and trim mint stems, often to encourage thicker, bushier growth. The more you harvest correctly, the more your herbs continue producing fresh leaves. Sometimes beginners notice yellow leaves, slow growth, or drooping stems. These problems are usually easy to fix. Yellow leaves often mean overwatering or poor drainage, while leggy plants usually need more sunlight. If pests like aphids appear, rinse plants gently or spray with diluted neem oil to protect healthy growth naturally. This hidden fertilizer cup method is perfect for balconies, patios, kitchens, and small space gardens because it turns ordinary herb plants into massive, productive growers with minimal effort. Watching giant basil leaves and overflowing mint stems grow from a simple trick feels incredibly rewarding for beginner gardeners. So before spending money on expensive gardening systems, try this easy hidden fertilizer cup technique and grow huge basil and mint right at home. Your herbs will grow faster, smell fresher, and produce more flavorful leaves than you ever expected. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, watch full video on Nature Nurture Hub. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's keep growing together.